Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Drawing Tutorials, and in this video lecture I'm going to explain how to draw the front view, top view, side view for the given isometric object. So this is an example I'm taking for getting the orthographic views, means front view, top view and side view, and the dimensions are also given. So isometric orientation is like this. And next I would like to show you the exact image, that is the isometric view of the given object with the dimensional values. So this is the object that would be given in the examination with the dimensional values. So with the help of this we need to draw the front view, top view and side view. And here I can see one arrow mark. This arrow mark will show you, will confirm you that the front view of the object. So in this condition we need to analyze, or we need to imagine, or we need to know what would be the shape of the front view, top view and side view. Based upon that, by using the dimensional values are given, then we need to produce the required views on the drawing sheet. Okay, so this is the object that we are going to consider for drawing the orthographic views, and at the same time this is the isometric orientation, and this example I have taken to show you how it would be the front view exactly, and the top view exactly, and the left or right side view exactly. By that you can improve your analyzing skills, and then you can draw the front view, top view, side view with the help of the dimensional values. So this is the standard orientation for a given isometric object, that is 3D object. And now we try to see what is the shape of the front view. Here the arrow mark is given which represents the front view. So in this front view we can see only the surface which is normal to our view. Okay, so how the shape we can see? So this top surface is not visible. So how it can be confirmed means I would like to show you in this software. And here when I select the front view, it will show you exact front view. Okay, this is the shape of the front view for a given object. Okay, so this shape we need to draw in a drawing sheet with the help of the dimensional values. Okay, so when you see this exact surface which is parallel, which is normal to our view, that thing we need to draw here. Okay, so now let us start drawing. So in this shape, what is the dimensional value for this step we need to see. So here it is the total length. The total length of the object is given as 120, and half of the length as 60. So up to the half of the length the step is provided. So we try to draw the front view first. Okay, at any convenient location I am drawing a line which is of length 60, and then there is a step is given here. Okay, so this step height is of 10 as it is given in the drawing, and next the remaining length is also 60, and the height, what is the height for this particular step, that is extruded in upward direction. Here it is of 20 height from the base or from the top surface, and remaining height what it will become means, here the height of the object is given as 35, and in that 35 if you subtract the 10 then it will become 25, and in that again one more 10 we need to subtract, then it will become 15. So here the height of this extruded part becomes equal to 20 plus 15, it becomes a 35. So with a 35 mm length we need to draw a line, and next the width of the step is given as 15, so draw another line of 15, and next the height of that step is given as 20. Okay, and now what is the length in between these two corners we need to identify. Total length is 120, and here 15 width and here 15 width on both sides. So 120 minus 30 it will become 90. So with 90 mm we have to draw another line. Next in upward direction the height of this left side step is given as 10. Okay, then with the 10 mm length draw another line, and the width becomes again 15. Then try to join to the initiated point. Okay, this shape becomes our required front view. So compare with the model that I have developed in Creo software. Okay, this is the shape in the front view, so exactly we got it. Okay, so I would like to give a color, a different color for this to identify it as a front view. So that color can be given here with the help of the color property. I would like to give the color as cyan color. Close. Next we go for the top view. So here the top view means our view will be perpendicular to the top surface. So when we see this object from top, then how would be the shape? So that shape can be again understood from the solid modeling that I have developed. So this is again, it is the standard orientation, and here I would like to show you what is the top view. We can select the top view here. So this is the top view. So it is totally like a rectangle, and with one line, parallel line, which is of 15 mm, and this is two rectangles which are of size 15 by 15, not rectangles, exactly squares, 15 by 15. And here whatever the line it is highlighting, that will become hidden because at bottom some step is given. Okay, so finally we need to reduce the drawing. So for that we need to construct lines. We need to draw some construction lines in between which we can get the required shape. So here I am constructing lines, like I am drawing construction lines in between which we can get the required drawing. So first we try to draw the rectangle, because the view is totally like a rectangle in which we are getting some lines based upon the shape provided to the object. So again I would like to draw a rectangle. So at any convenient location from the XY reference line, below the XY reference line, I have initiated the line, and in between the extreme positions of the front view we need to draw. So in downward direction, what is the length of the object when you see the object in top view means that is of 60 mm. Okay, next again try to join to the construction line and try to join to the initiated point. Okay, next we can see one line that is of related to the step which is of height 10. So already we have drawn a construction line. So on the same line try to draw another line with HB pencil, and next similarly here also two squares we can see. So that squares of dimensional value 15 mm. So go for line. So here already the range is given, so you have to start from here and click on the corner we got, and now we need to give the dimensional value. That means up to what dimension we need to draw a line means up to 15 mm. And next similarly directly you can join it to the extreme position. And similarly we have to initiate one more square from another corner which is of length which is of side 15, and here also 15, and here also directly you can join. Okay, and here one more line we need to draw, that will become hidden because in the top we cannot see the line related to the bottom step that is given with a bottom height of 10 mm. So now I am deleting the construction lines. So after deleting construction lines, this is the view we got in the top view, which is similar to the top view for the solid model section that I have shown. And next we need to represent two circles also. So whatever the circles means, here we can show the circles at a distance of 20 mm from the first step. Okay, so first we try to draw a line at a distance of 20 mm. So that is of by taking the scale, by locating the distance of 20 mm from the first step, we can draw the line. So I'll show you that line directly. 20 mm. So on this line we are going to get the circle exactly at the middle position. So middle means at a distance of 30 mm from the top or bottom edges we can draw the circle. So here directly I am drawing the circle which is of radius 20, sorry, which is of diameter of 20, so radius becomes 10. Okay, and similarly one more circle we need to draw, which is at a distance of 45 from the first circle. So we need to draw another line that is at a distance of 45 mm. So at a 45 mm distance I am drawing the line from the first circle I have drawn. Okay, so on this line we need to get another circle. Okay, so directly from the middle point position we can draw another circle which is of radius 10 of diameter 20. Okay, these are the two circle locations. After drawing we need to remove the construction lines, and at the same time we need to represent the hidden position of the circles in the front view also. So that can be represented with the help of construction lines again. So I am drawing some construction lines from the top view. Okay, and now we need to show the holes as hidden lines. So for that you can use the pencil here, whatever the construction lines we have drawn, so keep them as it is, then erase the remaining parts which are unnecessary. Sorry, I would like to erase the unnecessary lines. Okay, so these are the lines which represents the holes inside the object in the front view, and these lines should be dashed lines because those are in hidden condition. So I can change the line into hidden condition with a dashed line. Okay, so these are the holes in the hidden condition, and next we need to draw the side view, and the side view can be obtained easily by projecting the lines from top view and side view. And here again, for differentiating the top view as a different one, I would like to change the color here. That I would like to make it as magenta in the form of pink color. So next we go for drawing the right hand side view. So for that I would like to take one reference line. With respect to this reference line we can draw the right side view. For that we need to draw the construction lines. So first I would like to draw the construction lines from this point, and from this point, and from this point, and again from this point. And here we need to draw the lines from these holes also. Okay, next these construction lines should be drawn up to the XY reference line to get the right side view here. So for that we need to draw the curves with the help of the compass. We can take the compass with this intersecting point as a center. We need to continue the construction lines as a curve here. Okay, so for that here I would like to take the arc command. No need of this AutoCAD software learning for you. So I would like to draw the arc. I'm going to select the center point first. This is the center point. Next I would like to select the starting point, and then the ending point I would like to select here. Next similarly another curve, starting point, center point, starting point, and ending point. Next, similarly, another arc, center point, starting point, and ending point. Next, another arc, center point, starting point, and ending point. Next, center point, starting point, and ending point. Next, again, center point, starting point, and ending point. So from these arcs, again we need to draw the lines, construction lines in vertical direction. Sorry. So from each and every intersecting point we got on the XY reference line, we need to draw the construction lines. And similarly from the front view also we need to draw the construction lines. Okay, so in between these construction lines we are going to get our required shape. So next we try to see the right side view in the solid modeling section. So before that, here only we try to see the section. So these two steps can be visible as two separate pillars, and this 10 mm step also can be seen as it is in between these two steps, and the bottom step and this surface both will be looking like as the same surface with the one edge line. So how it can be seen, here we try to see from the standard orientation, we need to see the right hand side view. So this is the right hand side view. Okay, so two steps which are of 20 mm height, and one step which is at left hand side position which is of 10 mm height, and these two lines represents one bottom surface which is provided with some extruded part which is of 10 mm height. So this small line will represent related to the 10 mm step that is given at the bottom of this object. So finally we need to draw this shape. So in the given construction lines, so whatever the outer square or some rectangle we can see here, in between that we are going to get the required shape. Okay, so we try to draw it. I would like to take a line command here, here, here one click, and here one click, here one click, and next it continues. Here one click, and here one click, and here one, and close it. Okay, and next what we can see here, this bottom lines also we can see of 20 mm. So next again we need to join from this one to this one to get the exact right hand side view, and these two lines will represent the lines related to hole. So that hole is in hidden condition. Later we can change it into the hidden line condition, that is of dashed line. So now our right hand side view is over. So I am erasing the unnecessary construction lines. Okay, this is the shape that we can see in the right hand side view. These two pillars are related to these two pillars that are of extruded parts that of height 20 mm, and whatever the middle one you can see, that is of related to the left hand side extruded part which is of height 10 mm. Here it is 20 mm and here it is 10 mm. So that is why it is less than the two extruded parts that are given on right side. And when you see on right side, the bottom face can be seen as two parts, because one step is given of 10 mm and remaining is of 15 mm. Okay, this is of 10 mm and the remaining of 15 mm, and these two lines will represent the holes which are which should be in hidden condition. So we try to change it to the dashed line. Okay, it has not changed. I would like to change it into hidden condition. It's not changing, but while you are drawing, you try to change it to the hidden condition, because these two lines represent the holes. Okay, and next we can erase these construction lines also. So finally, these are the front view, top view and side view, for which we can give the dimensional values also. I would like to give the dimensions. This is of 120, and next and it is of 60, and next it is of 15, next it is of 15, and it is of 50. Oh, sorry, it's taking horizontal. Now it will be of 60. Next it is of again 15 itself, and this is of height 35. Sorry, 45 got, should be of 35 itself. Oh, okay, it's of 45 only. And next we can give the dimensional value here, which is of 35 now, and here this bottom base is of same 60. Sorry, we need to give horizontal dimensioning. Okay, we have to give the radius for the circle, which is of 10, and here also, which is of same 10, and at a distance of what, 35, sorry, 45 as it is given. And similarly from the edge the dimension is of 20. Try to change the direction. Okay, so it's taking some extra dimension. Again we try to go for annotate horizontal from this edge to this one of 20. Okay, so like this we need to give the dimensional values, then we have to show front view, top view and side view for a given object. So I hope you understood. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to give a comment to my video. And once again, thanks for watching my video. Thank you all.